Imagine you get a video message from your boss. Their face looks real. Their voice sounds real. They say, transfer the money right now. But here's the twist. Your boss never recorded that video. That is the danger behind deepfakes. A deepfake is an image, video, or voice clip made by AI to make someone appear to say or do something they never actually said or did. In the past, seeing someone on video felt like proof. But now, AI can copy a person's face, voice, expressions, gestures, and even speaking style. That full recognizable package is called a person's likeness. Your likeness is not just your face. It is the way you smile, the way your mouth moves when you talk, the rhythm of your voice, the gestures you repeat without noticing, the little details that make people say, yes, that is definitely them. Deepfakes try to imitate those details, and that is where AI likeness detection comes in. Likeness detection is the technology that tries to figure out whether a person's face, voice, or movement is real, fake, or suspicious. First, the detection system checks the media. It might analyze an image, a video, or an audio file. Then it looks for clues. Maybe the mouth does not perfectly match the words. Maybe the blinking looks unnatural. Maybe the shadows do not make sense. Maybe the voice has strange timing or emotion. Then, the system compares patterns. It may compare the media to known real examples, or it may look for technical signals that humans would miss. Finally, it gives a result. The content might be flagged as likely real, likely fake, or needs review. That last category matters because detection is not magic. Deepfake tools are getting better, and detection tools are constantly trying to catch up. This matters because deepfakes can be used for scams, misinformation, fake endorsements, identity theft, and unauthorized use of someone's face or voice. So the simple way to think about it is this. Deepfakes copy a person. AI likeness detection tries to catch the copy. But here's the final twist. The real problem is not just fake videos. The real problem is that we are entering a world where proof itself needs proof. So in the future, the most important question may not be, did I see it? It may be, can I verify where it came from?
Thanks for watching. I truly hope this video helped explain the concept clearly. If you still have questions though, or if you have suggestions on how this could be explained even better, please leave them in comments. Consider subscribing to online training for everyone and joining a community of people who want to better understand how things work, build useful skills, and keep getting smarter. And if this video was helpful, please give it a like and share it. It helps YouTube show the video to other people who may need to learn the same thing. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.